Hey everyone, it's Karli, your go-to insurance nurse here at Fika Insurance Group. This May, we are digging deep into something that impacts millions but can be pretty confusing: Medicare. We have a whole month packed with essential tips, expert insights, and real-life stories to help guide you through the Medicare maze. As a nurse, I have seen firsthand how important it is for your peace of mind and health that you are in the correct health plan. And that's why I'm here, to make Medicare simple and understandable for you. Got questions? Drop them in the comments, or better yet, call me, 864-397-8866, or shoot me an email at karli@fikainsurance.com. Don't miss out on making informed choices about your health coverage. Follow us for more updates and dive into a stress-free Medicare enrollment experience. See you in the comments, and let's tackle Medicare together.